Whether you've taken chemistry before or whether you're just starting to learn chemistry, I hope we can all agree that chemistry is amazing. When we study chemistry, we study what things are made out of, we study atoms, we study molecules, and we draw pictures of them, and we learn about them. And once we're learning what things are made out of, we also learn about how they change, how they undergo physical changes, where they melt and they freeze, or that maybe they undergo chemical changes. There's all kinds of chemical reactions that we can look at and study. But if you've studied chemistry, you may also know that one of the ways we learn about all these things and what they're made out of is by measuring them. We measure samples, we go into the lab, we measure masses and temperatures and volumes and all kinds of things. And then we take those numbers and then we do calculations with them. We learn from those numbers that we've collected. And that involves a fair amount of problem solving. Try not to panic, but I'm here to help. Those of you who know me personally know that I'm a teacher, and I teach mainly high school chemistry, all levels, but also university chemistry on occasion. And a few years ago, I started making short videos of me solving problems for my chemistry students that I could share with them so they'd have a resource to use while they're at home doing their chemistry problems or their data analysis. And a lot of students have said that those were very helpful for them. I often tell my students that one of my jobs as their teacher is to help them sleep better at night. You know, for those students who lie awake at night wondering, why is the pH of water 7? Or why does ice float? Or how do I do these chemistry problems that my teacher gave me in class? Well, consider this one of the ways I'm trying to help my students sleep better at night. Now, my early videos didn't have very good video quality or sound quality, so we're going to try to fix that. But what I've decided to do is start a second YouTube channel. And that second channel will be devoted only to solving problems that my students would encounter on a normal basis in chemistry class. You'll find my second channel at Crowded Beaker Solves. You'll see it here on the screen and I'll put it in the comments down below. But that is my second YouTube channel where you'll see videos of me taking problems that regular chemistry students would encounter and solving them. We're currently about to start a new school year. And so on Crowded Beaker Solves, you're going to see me start with pretty introductory problems to get my students going. And the idea is, over the course of the year and in coming years, I will add more advanced topics along the way. Currently, I'm teaching first-year chemistry students, who I like to call JV chemistry. I'm also teaching AP chemistry, which I like to call varsity chemistry because it's the second year. So you'll see a little mix of both of those types of problems, the introductory problems as well as the AP problems, and I'll try to separate them so you can find them easily. And what I've decided to do with the format is to have me on the screen but in a small capacity, whereas the problem itself is taking up more of the screen. And you can see me working out a solution and talking about what I'm doing to work out that solution. And then I'm actually going to do a pause the video moment with a second example, so you at home can pause the video, try the problem, and see if you can get it right. And that way you can get some feedback as to your progress as you work your way through the problem solving in chemistry class. So whether you're a chemistry student or a current or future chemistry teacher, or maybe you're having trouble falling asleep at night and just need to have it on in the background, you'll be asleep in no time. So feel free to check out Crowded Beaker Solves. If you like it or if you find it useful, feel free to subscribe. And in the meantime, happy solving, and I will see you next time.